Hello my dear students. This video deals with one of your very important writing skill, that is report writing. There is a particular structure or layout for writing a report. Before I tell you the layout or structure of report writing, I need to tell you what is a report. A report is a written account of something that has been observed, heard, done, or investigated. It is a systematic and well organized presentation of facts and findings of an event that has already taken place somewhere. Generally, Generally, two types of reports are asked, namely newspaper report or a magazine report. Newspaper report is the one which is published in a newspaper, and magazine report is generally written for a school magazine. Let me tell you the layout of magazine report. Magazine report. Here are layouts of magazine report and newspaper report. We'll be discussing newspaper report in our next video. Today we are going to discuss magazine report. Layout of magazine report. First of all, there comes a heading, means title of your report writing. Title of your report should be descriptive, means it should be very clear, means from title only all the contents which it has should be expressed. Then comes byline. Byline means the name of the one who is writing this report, means reporter. So generally the name of the reporter is there in the question. You are not supposed to write any personal information, means you should avoid your personal information. If the name is there in the question paper, write the same name, otherwise you need to mention written by or reported by ABC. Then comes opening paragraph. Opening paragraph consists 5 Ws, means what was organized, why was it organized, where was it organized, when was it organized, and very important, who inaugurated the function or the celebration. Then comes account of the event. Account of the event. It is proper sequence of the events that occurred along with the description. It is the main paragraph and can be split into 2 short paragraphs if required. Generally, it is told that report writing, means body of report writing, should be there in 3 paras. But if the contents are long, if the list of events is long, then the account events can be split, means this para can be split into 2 paras. Then comes the final and the concluding para, means the ending para. This will conclude the description of how the event ended. It may include the chief guest's speech or how did the event wind up. So, dear students, the more clear explanations with so many examples you will have in next video.